This is the Insta360 Go, also known as the smallest stabilized camera. Is it a good choice for travel? I'll be sharing my personal experience without getting into technical specifications, which you can easily find on other YouTube videos. I've been enjoying using this camera while traveling because it's extremely simple to use. I can capture hands-free moments such as this one with Mayor Vico Soto with a press of a button. It is portable and I can take it anywhere. I can mount it anywhere, allowing me to select the best angle for my shots. I can make videos in slow motion or hyperlapse. I enjoyed using this camera sa water activities kasi not bad ang quality, except nga lang sa malalalim na part kasi low light na dun. The stabilizer works very well. I can edit my videos using the Insta360 Studio. They also have an app. Minsan dito ko na-edit yung shorts ko. I can export my videos in either vertical or horizontal format. I can also change the video's position. What I dislike about this camera, it quickly heats up. The battery lasts only about 30 minutes without the case. But if the camera is in the case, it only lasts about 1 hour. It only has 64 GB of storage. Wala rin siyang card slot, so kailangan mo siyang i-transfer agad sa phone or sa laptop para magkaroon ka ng space sa camera. It's easy to lose. The quality is not good at low light. Here are some examples. It doesn't have 4K resolution. It takes some time to connect it to your phone. Ito talaga yung struggle ko, yung pag-connect sa phone ng camera. Kasi minsan, hindi na na-detect ng phone ko yung wifi ng camera. I don't know if it's my phone or yung camera. May mga instances na nagmamadali akong i-connect, pero hindi ko talaga siya makonect. So, no choice, wag na lang. Changing modes can also be time-consuming. Kasi kailangan mo pa siya ilagay sa case para mapalitan yung mode niya activated sa camera. The stabilizer is sometimes delayed. And since wala siyang screen, hindi mo makikita kung okay ba yung framing mo. Isa rin yun sa kailangan mong i-consider kasi minsan hindi rin ganun kaganda yung nakukuha niya. My only tip when using this camera, if you're doing extreme activities, make sure you don't forget you're wearing the camera. Don't lose it. I discovered that the hard way, nearly losing the camera in Sikihor. Overall, the Insta360 Go is a fun and user-friendly camera that's great for capturing casual moments on the go. Just be aware of its limitations and make sure it fits your specific needs before buying. And that's it for this episode. If you have questions, just comment down below. But if you want me to try travel items, just tag me on Instagram stories at I'm the Rare Mel. I am pleased to help you, my fellow travelers, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye!